I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the problem. Do this now. First, open your device sound settings and confirm the balance is centered. Imbalance often looks like hardware failure, but is a setting. Next, plug the headphones into a different phone or laptop and play a known stereo file. That tells you if the headset or source is bad. Once done, swap cables or try a different pair to quickly separate cable, headphone, and device causes before deeper repair steps. Now dig into hardware and software. If it's wired, inspect the 3.5 jack or plug for dirt. Compressed air or a gentle pick can restore contact. Oxidized contacts cause one-side loss. For Bluetooth, unpair and repair, then update firmware. Wireless stacks can route audio mono to one channel. On a computer, update or roll back audio drivers and check stereo pan. If you're able, use a multimeter to check continuity through the cable and speaker, which reveals breaks or failed drivers. Finish by choosing repair or replacement based on what you found. If a cable, jack, or connector is faulty, replace it or resolder the connection carefully. Sound drivers can be swapped out for modular headphones. For sealed or high-end units, contact the manufacturer or use warranty service. Once everything is restored, test with multiple tracks. If things still go wrong, a useful troubleshooting tip is to intentionally swap left and right channels in software to confirm whether the issue
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.